How to delete Cash App account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete our Cash App account, we will go ahead and then basically open up Cash App here. Once we launch Cash App, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here. Then once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, over here you will be able to see different sort of options. Scroll down here. Once you scroll down, you'll find the option called support. Tap on the support tab, and once you tap on support, account and settings, from here go to the option called close your Cash App account. Then from here just tap the confirm button. Once you tap on confirm option, your Cash App account will get successfully deleted. This way you will be able to delete Cash App account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.